All this walking and hunting has got me hungry. So we're at the old port in the meal zone. Let's go see what they got to offer. Pizza Vieux Port. That looks interesting. And then there's Charlie's Submarines. Nice layout, nice presentation. Then we got Viewport, Deli Viewport. Okay, if you want your smoked meat, this is the place. Montreal smoked meat right here. And there's Smokey's Charcuterie Deli. Smokey's. And finally, for dessert, Felix and Norton cookies. World famous Felix and Norton cookies. Here in the meal zone. And then you can go on the Ferris wheel. The Montreal Ferris wheel and take in an amazing view